good morning. So today my friend he gonna teach how to cut California grass.
Yeah, my name is Jonathan and I'll show you the other idea on how to cut the California grass.
Yeah.
Do not cut it onto the middle because it's too hard.
Yeah.
Just flip like that and cut onto the bottom, onto the roots, like this. Because if you cut into the middle, it's hard. See?
In 1 minute, not 45
1
seconds. Good job.
And it will never pop out again because we remove the roots. Yeah. Okay.
Saka.
Shaka, thank you. That's another idea.